What's going on, everybody? So, I'm here with this little bum. He's finally getting to drive my car, right?
Hell yeah.
So we're here at Gatton. I have zero Gatlinburg footage, and I'll tell you why in a second. But I figured I'd let him drive the S and not wreck the car, all right?
It's not gonna get wrecked. Don't even worry about it.
All right. Ooh. Yes, sir. All right, so let's head out. So I'm hoping he'll keep me safe. Oh, God.
Handbrake.
Yeah, handbrake. All right, here we go. Jesus. Lord have mercy.
I forgot I gotta fucking drive it like a Honda, like oh wow.
Oh my clutch, oh God.
I need to find the point.
Look at this guy.
I do not like your shifter.
That's probably one of the best shifters ever made.
Bro,
it's like
so
consensus,
small.
yeah. God damn.
Yeah, I overrode the shit into that.
Take it left. Listen. Look at this guy. He doesn't even know where he wants to go.
I know.
I hope there's no speed bumps this way.
Oh, you'll be alright. You think I don't know how to take speed bumps?
Well. See, he's trying to kill me, right? He just flew into a corner. Now you gotta remember about snap oversteer.
Oh yeah, don't even worry about it. Alright, I'm going 30 miles an hour. You think it's going to...
Okay.
I don't think it's going to snap.
Okay. He doesn't know.
I know.
It will.
Damn.
I told you it's scrub. God, you went to it.
Hell no.
Downshift.
It's good that this thing fucking... Oh my lord.
It's good that it what?
It scrapes.
Yeah. I don't need it scraping all the way.
I'm about to just turn around, to be honest.
Oh God. Rev a little higher. You don't even get no torque.
No, it's because I'm used to the Subaru.
5, 6. Short shifted.
You said I short shifted?
Yeah. But yeah, obviously don't crazy shift it up here. Rev max. Short shift.
Short shift.
That was
Short shift.
That was 7,500.
Oh my lord. Yeah, this run is cool.
It's a little much. Yeah, right down.
No, that's too high up.
Oh, you turn around.
Yeah.
This guy thinks he's Paul Walker. Don't do it. He's got a 100K in the car. You were still short.
I was short!
That was 8,500.
No way!
It was
bro,
8,500.
No way.
No, not on this corner.
Yeah, it's too close. No way that was still a short shift.
Yep. It screams at
Yeah, this shit is fire.
and you still, we're short. That's the crazy part. Like, the length that it has is crazy.
And it's got 6 gears, which is so crazy. I thought it had 5 when I first fucking got in.
Not in the corner, not with this.
I probably should. Oh yeah, it's not gonna, like, I shouldn't put anything in. You're saying no gas in the corner?
I mean, you can, but yeah, the thing is, with it, you gotta know how the body's gonna react when you come off the throttle. That's how snap oversteer happens. You're loading the rear, and then when you're coming into the corner, you're unloading it.
Yeah, so it's gonna just...
Yeah.
I haven't drove like a lowish car in a little bit.
Speed limit 20.
I'm going 37.
Oh, you're like, that's like 3 miles per hour fast.
Oh, really?
You feel like how it pitched you like that?
Yeah.
So imagine that in the corner. And the rear end being unloaded and sliding. But it's still only 7.
Yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy. I'll just fucking go a little fast on this run.
As you go on it first, you'd have been able to do it.
Probably. Yeah, this thing is crazy. This thing is fucking crazy. I need a Honda.
You said it's wild?
I literally need a Honda. You leave it in gear or no?
No. What do you think about it?
This shit is crazy. It's like, I don't even know, like, it feels light. It feels light, like, it feels light in the corners and shit, but I didn't want to, like, push it or anything, because you're fucking scaring me when you're saying that fucking oversteer and shit. Like,
yeah,
if I was used to the car, I'd probably start pushing it, but, like...
Nah, I was kind of hyping oversteer a little bit, but oversteer will get you.
Nah,
like,
yeah, and I'm not trying to wreck this fucking thing, so...
Yeah, I gotta go with 4. Look, I'm 4 hours from home. That would be some shit.
That'd
but
be
yeah.
horrid.
So, you said you need a Honda, huh?
Yeah. I need either... I mean, I'm not getting one of these anytime soon. This shit's too expensive. But I need, like, a Civic or, like... Something that I can, like, just fuck with, because bro, like, so easy to mess with. I know on the motors, they're like, they love the noise. The noise is crazy. Like, I don't know, man. They're easy ass cars to work on. They're pretty cheap too.
Yeah. Well, certain Hondas are. That's parts ain't that cheap.
Oh, I know this car's expensive. Yeah. Like, but like, if I'm talking about like a little Civic or something like that, which is what I would get, like, that ain't shit. That ain't.
We need to get you like a 92 to 90 or 2000.
92 to 2000 Civic.
Yeah, well, I mean, there's different body styles, but
yeah.
in that range.
Just in that range, absolutely. Because, like, EK hatches, you know, I've loved EK hatches forever. But, like, an EG hatch would also
EK hatches aren't as expensive now. EG hatches are the ones that are expensive. Side note, I really do want an EG hatch. I'm trying to get one for the channel. Whatever it is sounds nice.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
But I'm trying to get an EG hatch for the channel, but we'll see. Stay tuned.
Yeah, this man needs to grab one of those, or tell him to get a new Type R. Y'all subscribe, he'll get a new Type R, just like the EG.
You know how many subscribers I would need to be able to afford a new Type R? Y'all think I'm made of money? What? Like, why do you think the videos take so long? I'm broke. I ain't like these other YouTubers out here.
Bruh, invest money into it, you'll get money out of it. That's all I'm gonna say.
All right, so now everybody in the comments bully him, because when's the last time y'all saw a video from him?
I mean, shit, I'm investing in the car. I gotta make my money to invest in the car. So
you right? So invest in the videos to invest in the car. Look at you. Well, all right, I just want to do a quick video for you guys so you can see how this guy drives. I'm telling him he needs to tell him the second car that you got recently.
So I got a Ford Ranger. It's a fucking piece, but it's a rear-wheel drive car. I wanted a rear-wheel drive car. It's manual. It's okay. It's nothing like too special. But like, I mean, I would love to like have a rear-wheel drive car for my own that I can get used to. Maybe get started sliding with stuff, because slot drifting would be a dream to get into. But like, I don't know. Like, I just need another rear-wheel drive car other than that stupid ass Ranger. I mean, the Civic's not rear-wheel drive, but that shit would still be fucking fun. That'd be a fun car.
So he was saying he wanted a Miata, or maybe try to see if he could get a Miata for the Ranger or something like that.
Oh yeah. I mean, I don't think anybody's gonna trade a Miata for a Ranger unless I'm giving them cash too. But
I mean, cash on top wouldn't be too bad.
No, it wouldn't be too bad. So it's probably be like $2,000 plus the Ranger. I'm
trying to bully him into doing that and using the Miata for like autocross instead of making it another stance car.
I mean, shit. either autocross or, I mean, probably not autocross. Maybe either like, I mean, I guess mountains counts.
Well, yeah, autocross.
Like,
well, I mean, two different, but like, yeah,
yeah,
the same kind of build.
And then like drifting is one of those two, bro. One of those two.
Yeah,
it's gonna be one of those two.
It's gonna be two totally different builds.
I mean, yeah, like I'm like, I mean, it depends. I'm just thinking of what I'm gonna do. Like, either I'll do something with like track or drift because they're gonna look completely different. I'm gonna have two completely different plans. But
100%.
I mean, a fucking drift Miata would be a dream. Turbo, that shit, it's like fucking 200 something horsepower. That thing's like what? Fucking 2,000, 2,100 pounds.
Exactly.
It probably drifts like a dream.
Exactly. Well, yeah. Well, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Ooh, that's what.
Oh, the clean WRX. Oh my god.
Oh man, both of us.
Oh my god, and that's a new Gen 1 static. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was kind of fire.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go chase them real quick. This is where we're gonna end the video. I'll catch you guys later. Say peace out. Like, comment if you want him to do more videos. I'm pulling him in to do it. Go to WRX Chris on Instagram. Follow him and tell him to do more videos. All right. Peace out, guys.